Ferocious Beast.
The big, and I mean big, snake. Now where can that ferocious beast be?
I just hope he's not sniffing the flowers. Uh-oh.
What was that? There it goes again.
He is sniffing the flowers.
Look at all the pretty flowers.
Beast, you know they make you sneeze.
But they're so beautiful.
Beast, don't. Look out, Maggie. He's gonna sneeze.
Oh! My spots.
You sneezed your spots off.
Don't worry, Beast. We'll find them. Here's one.
Here's some more.
Did you find all of them?
I think so.
There.
Something doesn't feel right. Uh-oh.
Wait, there it is.
Thank you. That's much better. Great googly moogly. Look at that flower.
Don't, Beast. Don't sniff the flowers.